Zhengzhou Honggol is a technology-based enterprise specializing in the research and development and manufacturing of environmental protection equipment. Our company has developed a production process and automated equipment for using black water flies to treat kitchen waste in order to address the current environmental pollution and resource waste code. The truck pours the food waste into the garbage storage bin and directly enters the garbage crusher without sorting. The crushed garbage enters the slag liquid separator through a conveyor for slag liquid separation. The liquid enters the liquid storage tank through a transfer pump and enters the oil water separator through a pipeline. The separated grease enters the oil storage tank. Sewage enters the sewage treatment tank for treatment and is discharged after reaching the standard. The separated solid slag enters the crusher through a conveyor. The crushed material enters the sorting and pulping machine through a conveyor, and the sorted organic slurry enters the mixer through a conveyor. The sorted and organic waste is transported by a belt conveyor to the inside and outside of the storage bucket for treatment. The organic sauce is then mixed in a mixer and mixed with biological bacteria. Enter the fermentation tank through a delivery pump for fermentation. The fermented slurry enters the material paver through a conveying pump and electric valve, and is evenly sprinkled into the black water Mongolian aquaculture tank through the paver. Then use a larval paver to evenly sprinkle the larvae onto the slurry. Use a flipping machine to flip the materials inside the aquaculture tank. Multiple rows of aquaculture tank racks can be flipped by a lifting and shifting vehicle to flip the paver, the discharge mop. After the black soldier flag grows up in the breeding tank, it uses a discharge machine to push the material to a belt conveyor. The belt conveyor transports the materials to the screening machine for screening. The screened black water flies are cleaned, freeze-dried, and sold directly. The screened insect sand is sold directly. Multiple odor temperature and humidity sensors installed in the workshop will automatically spray biological deodorants when odor exceeds the standard and temperature is too high. The negative pressure fin sprays the air that have been degraded by the deodorant into the spray tower and activated carbon adsorption box for treatment before reaching the standard discharge. The temperature in the workshop is easy to set and the heating system will automatically start. The water heating pipeline installed at the bottom of the aquaculture tank will uniformly heat the tank. Install multiple cameras in the kitchen waste and black fly breeding workshop. In the central control room, you can watch the operation status of various devices and the growth status of black water raft. The company is committed to the development of environmental protection, with the pursuit of green, low-carbon, energy-saving and sustainable development as its goal. We are willing to work together.